I can barely breathe. I have never felt so sure, so ready. I've been waiting for this moment all my life. Don't be surprised if the tears begin to fall from my eyes. Is this real? I want it to